Hungry for the niches that are shattering sales records and the products that are blazing hot in the dropshipping realm? Dive in with us as we unveil the treasure trove of the best-selling niches that are setting the dropshipping world on fire. Hey everyone, welcome back to Doba YouTube channel. In this episode, I'm thrilled to guide you through the best-selling niches in the dropshipping area. These are the trends that rule the market all year long and just keep booming. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future dropshipping tips and tricks. The first niche we're spotlighting today is the baby niche. Why focus on babies? Every day, parents look to invest in products that keep their little ones comfortable. These goods enjoy stable demand, and people often buy them in bulk. According to statistics, the global baby care market is estimated to reach about $88.72 billion by 2026. If you want to tap into a massive market with high demand, now is the time to start dropshipping baby products in 2024. Now with that, what are some of the best products to consider for dropshipping in the baby niche? Well, let's kick things off with our first product, baby utensils. Now, why are these going to be in high demand? Every parent has to navigate the exciting but often messy journey of introducing solid foods, and baby utensils are essential to making that journey a bit more manageable. Picture this, a curious little one, eager to explore the world of solids. You need something safe, easy to hold, and gentle on those baby gums. That's where baby utensils come in. They come in all shapes and sizes, designed to fit those tiny hands perfectly. The beauty of selling baby utensils is the endless variety. You can offer them in different materials like BPA-free plastic, silicone, or even eco-friendly bamboo. The combinations are limitless. Pair a spoon with a fork or bundle them with plates. You can even play with different shapes and colors to make mealtime fun and exciting. Now, let's check out the buzz around baby utensils on TikTok. When we search for this keyword, we can see tons of unboxing, showcase, and review videos with views reaching into the millions. The inquiries about brand and product links in these videos clearly indicate a strong market demand for these products. So this is your opportunity. All right, let's go ahead. When it comes to baby products, extra features can really make a difference, and that's exactly what baby nail clippers with age-appropriate file attachments offer. We all know accidents can happen during nail trimming, so these clippers are designed to be gentle and convenient. Imagine that. You notice your baby's nails are getting a bit too long. You grab your baby nail clippers, pick the right file head for your child's age, and trim away without any fuss. Furthermore, the cost to acquire these products from suppliers falls within the range of $5.27 to $19.45, while the market prices hover between $18.60 and $27.99. Consequently, the resulting profit margins are as high as 72%. Kids' development is key, which is why today's third product, an educational toy, comes into play. They're a hot item for dropshipping because they're not just playthings, they're tools for growth. Imagine a toddler learning shapes with a colorful sorting cube in the living room, or a preschooler practicing letters and numbers with an interactive talking toy. And let's not forget bath time, when waterproof books and floating puzzles turn splashing into learning. Educational toys are indispensable in a child's journey. They cater to different developmental stages, from toys that teach shapes and colors to those that sing songs and help with speech. The market is vast because the demand is tailored to various settings. Indoors, outdoors, bath time, you name it, there's an educational toy for it. So remember, that's always in style. What's more, based on Google Trends results, these baby products for dropshipping are in constant high demand. Do you know what to do now? All right, let's talk about the fourth product, baby bathtubs. You know how it is. Bath time can be a real splash fest, but it can also be a bit of a juggling act with a slippery little one. So here's the deal. Offer a variety of baby bathtubs. You've got the inflatable ones that are like mini vacation pools for those tiny tots. And then there are the foldable types, super handy for saving space and easy to tuck away. Plus, when you've got options that are as portable as a foldable tub or as fun as an inflatable, you're catering to all kinds of parents and living situations. And let's not forget, baby bathtubs aren't just about the practical side of getting clean. They're also about making memories. Those adorable first-time splashes, the giggles, and the rubber duckies. It's an experience that every parent cherishes. Plus, the supplier price for these products ranges between $8.06 and $60.13, and the market prices range from $11.80 to $89.99. Thus, the profit margins are up to 83%. The profit margins are very high. Last but not least, for the baby niche, we have a baby shampoo. First off, when it comes to kids, you know how picky parents can get, especially with products that go on those delicate little bodies. Baby shampoo hits the sweet spot because it's super gentle. We're talking no tears, no harsh chemicals, just pure bubbly goodness. And guess what? These baby shampoos come in all sorts of scents. Just think about how nice a lavender bath would be before bed. Most importantly, parents are all about the ingredients, and these shampoos keep it simple and safe. No complex ingredients, just the essentials that keep those tiny heads clean and soft. Google Trends data also indicates that the demand for baby bath products is consistently high. However, it's vital to address the unique needs of babies, such as hypoallergenic options for sensitive skin or products specifically designed for conditions like eczema. Finally, thorough research is crucial to ensure the safety and quality of the products you provide to your customers. To successfully dropship baby products, you need to start with in-depth research to identify best-selling products and choose the right suppliers. When selecting products, it's crucial to consider factors like product features, customer preferences, market trends, etc. This will help you curate a product selection that attracts customers and drives sales. Next, look for suppliers that offer a wide variety of baby products, reliable shipping times, high-quality products, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. It's essential to assess your suppliers to guarantee they meet your expectations for product quality, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Check reviews and feedback, and carefully analyze their product catalog, pricing structure, and dropshipping policies. Choosing the right suppliers and products can be challenging for beginners, but efficient platforms like Doba.com can make your decision-making process easier and give you a competitive edge. Doba is an exceptional dropshipping platform that connects you with winning products and high-quality suppliers. It features a diverse selection of baby niche products easily accessible through the categories on the homepage. Furthermore, Doba's integration capabilities with major e-commerce platforms like TikTok, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon simplify inventory management and order fulfillment. One of the best benefits? You won't incur any fees on your orders when using Doba's seamless integration with your online store. The only costs you'll need to consider are membership fees and applicable shipping charges. Once you've identified a product you want to sell, simply click List to Store to instantly add it to your store. Plus, here's the kicker. Doba offers a 14-day free trial. Drop us a comment with Dropshipping Simplified below, and we'll send you the link to start your free trial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that little bell notification once again. Wishing you all nothing but success in your dropshipping business, and catch you guys next time.